Oh, I'm gonna change my clothes. There. Wait, you dress the same but different. That's me. No, I'm not different. I'm real to you. I'm real. I'm real. I'm real. Yes. What's the problem, Robert? Somebody copied me. No, I didn't copy you. Yes. Let's see who's the fake one. So you have pants. So you're not. So you're real. Hmm. Aha! I saw you wearing the shirt. Now get ready to be executed. No, I'll grab my sword. Get ready to be executed in 3, 2, 1. Thank you, police. You're not welcome, robber. I'll still gonna execute you. Ha 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 ha. Thank you for helping me, police. For the copier. No problem.